Hi, this is Warren from Excel Employee Leave Tracker. Today I will demonstrate the SumIf function to provide the total salary from a data set of repeating names for different years. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, today my manager provided me a data set that contains employee ID, name, department, year, and the salary for each employee. You might be tempted to go to Data, Filter, and then filter on each individual employee. However, if you have hundreds of names, this will take quite a bit of time. There is a better solution, the SumIf function. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to an empty cell and type equals SumIfs, open parentheses, then highlight the cell that you wish to sum up, in this case the salary. Hit Shift N down to highlight all the cells. Press the F4 key to make them absolute, comma. I would recommend going to use the employee ID number, as this is a unique identifier. Hold the Shift N down key. Click on the F4 key to make them, F4 key to make this absolute, comma. Then select the very first employee ID number or unique identification number, close parentheses, and that is your formula. You can then go to the right bottom corner, double click with your mouse to bring down the formula for all employees. Now, when you filter, if you wish to double check your work, if you filter on one particular employee, you will see that the SumIf function summed up all the salaries for each individual employee. 190,000, 190,000. Let me know what other videos you would like to see in the comment box below. Thank you and have a great day.